Well, I'm back, everybody, and hello. I'm going to continue back to going and doing painting videos. I've been busy, so of course I got my 16 by 20 canvas here. So let's get started with painting. I'm probably going to use three colors. This is Prussian blue, Indian yellow, and titanium white. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Prussian blue. Go right up in here. Do something like this. I think I have a little sunlight coming right there, so I'll stop right there. Get a dry brush. Take some Indian yellow. Just go right up in here. There we go. I'm not too concerned if the yellow hits the blue. It'll make a nice green, so I ain't too worried about that. Got a little hair, pop it off. And I'm going to go back into Prussian blue. Do the same thing. That's a nice looking sky that anybody could do. I'm just using strokes just like that. Okay, got something like that. Quick little sky. Alright. Let me put some over here. Okay. Alright, I like that. Alright, let's continue on. Okay, I think I'll just add a little bit of clouds. So I'm going to take some white. Let's go right up in here and add some little indication of clouds. Right over in here. Probably not that many. Okay, I like how that's going. I'll just leave it like that. I think I came up with an idea where there's like trees and then we have some rushing water coming toward us or something. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I'm going to take some Prussian blue and some white. Make some tree indications. Kind of far away. Something. All I'm doing is hitting the brush against the canvas. Take some more Prussian blue. A little darker. Okay, we got something like that. Now, I'm going to create some mist in there. Take some white. And a little yellow on it. but I want to make some layers, like some fog. Very foggy. See how soft and foggy it looks already? That's good. And then in front of that, you go into some more Prussian blue, and it's going to come in front of that. That just separates it. Okay, and we got something like that, very misty. Okay, now start laying my water out. Okay. See, we almost have it done already. That's nice and fast. Okay. Okay, now we're just going to add some more mist and everything. Let's see. All the water is misting, and got a comment a while back from a viewer that liked the painting, but he said I never give credit to Bob Ross. Let me rephrase that. I always give credit to Bob Ross, and thank him for blessing us with this nice technique of his. And I've discovered that the only one that doesn't give credit on YouTube to Bob Ross was an artist named Kevin Hill. But I always give credit to Bob Ross and his technique. But anyways, see how that looks all misty? Alright, looks like all kinds of things are happening in the water. So now what I'm going to do, start maybe adding some trees or something right here, and maybe start doing a river right here. So let's do that. Okay, then right up in here, it's going to have, here comes that water, and it sometimes it's like this, and curls over, make all kinds of foam patterns. And over in here, and right over in here, just all kinds of little actions. And here's a little splash. Just make strokes like this, and see, it looks like all kinds of little actions in the water. And you just pull this down. Little drifts. This is a different painting. Now you can see the movement of the water. Add some more white. And right up in here, there's like a little foam patterns, and you just gotta play with different strokes and see what you come up with. And maybe this one goes like that. Okay. And maybe this one splashes right here. A little foam. See all that action in that water? And keep that shadow right there. Looks like a wild river. Rushing river. Okay, let me clean my brushes. Probably drop some highlights with a knife in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna take just a touch of Indian yellow, some white. I'm just gonna go right up in here. Add some little lights hitting that highlight so I can bring that water out. Little action lines. And right up this. See, all that water just has all kinds of action and stuff. It's like, psh, that's very good. Maybe over in here, just coming down like this. Over there. It's just splashing and curling. And right up in there, see something curling over. And this splashing. Right there. And okay. Fortunately, I got to add some more paint to the canvas so I can continue with this water, but it's looking good already. So I see a couple of things, so I'll be right back and I'll add some more paint. Okay. Let me add some titanium white to my palette. And I see a little, maybe right up in here, see a little action lines. Something like that. See that? That made me want to dive in that water. It's nice. Put all kinds of these little action lines right here. Let's see, right up in there. Take maybe over in here. This curls over still and splashes, and I might put a rock right there to have something for it to splash up on. Right over in here, you can overdo this water, and all of a sudden it just looks like a big mess. So I'm not gonna mess with it no more. After I just add this, and maybe over in here, like it's splashing over in here. Then okay, let me see how that looks. That looks pretty good. That's curling and splashing. All kinds of things. Okay. Just going to add some little action lines right over in, just like so. Okay, that's all. I'm not going to mess with that water no more. I like the way it is. So. Okay, I'm just going to put a rock maybe in here. So it's going to take just some Prussian blue on a knife. And maybe that rock is going to, a little indication of a rock. Highlight. And take some white. And splashing all around that. Now that this rock's just sit down there. Okay, now it's gonna take some Prussian blue, maybe pop in some shadows. Possibly clean that up. Add some shadows so that water highlights could pop out. So there you go. See how this shadow just comes out. And okay. Off camera I just added this little more highlights and giving more little action. Okay, and then now over in here I see something, maybe a little stick is popping out of the water. Something popping out of the water. Okay. And just blend it over. That's all you got to do. Okay, now maybe over in here he's got just a little bit of land. Let's see. Right over in here, maybe it's got a little island or something. Just to kind of and maybe got a little tree right here. Indication of a little tree that just looking over. There we go. Now it's coming together. Okay. And you got a little tree branch right over here to hold it up. This was done in just 3 colors, so not too big of a deal. Okay, now just gonna clean my brushes and highlight that side, and I'll be right back. Go over here and highlight this tree with some Indian yellow and a touch of white. Let's see, right over here. It's a nice little highlight. Okay. Go into the little touch of white. Little lights hitting it. Go in that same color. Come down over in here and highlight. There's some grassy areas. Like so. Right there. Okay. Looks like we got a finished painting. I'm going to sign this one and call it good. Okay, I'm going to sign it right in this corner like I always do. And I hope you enjoyed this painting. Like I said, I've been busy. And like I said, I'll try to bring you more painting videos and tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And have a nice evening, everybody. And hope to see you again. Bye-bye.